Hello, and welcome back to Fan Screens. In today's video, we have compiled a collection of construction inventions and technologies on another level. So, if you're interested to know what those are, buckle up and let's get started. Number 1. Poliurea. Poliurea is a waterproof material that is used to protect surfaces from wear and corrosion. It may be applied to a variety of surfaces and takes only 20 seconds to dry. It is ideal for parking floors, walkable flat roofs, and other applications. Number 2. Stackton. This plug-in method makes erecting walls considerably easier and less expensive. You may effortlessly build, dismantle, rebuild, and pick between several sorts of surfaces with this breakthrough. Number 3. TempZone Robots. Surfaces are coated and painted with extreme precision by TempZone Robots. It can swap lanes and position itself on its own. These robots improve workplace safety by reducing the amount of hours spent working at risky heights. Number 4. Wall Grip Pro. Wall Grip is a masonry reinforcement mesh that is both robust and flexible. It reinforces walls and reduces cracking. Number 5. AACP Concrete Panels. These are prefabricated precast walls that range in height from 5 feet to 8 feet above ground level. The horizontal slabs and vertical concrete posts are both built for optimal durability and strength. Number 6. Icynene Spray Foam. This spray foam insulation serves as both an air barrier and an insulator. It's perfect for barns, warehouses, yachts, and a variety of other structures. Insulation for attics, roofs, and timber floors is advised. Number 7. Masonry Robot. This multi-story building block laying robot constructs both internal and external walls. Its omnidirectional capabilities assist it in working on different construction locations. It is balanced on uneven building floors thanks to auto-leveling technology.
Number 8. Point Master. When building walls, the Point Master tool is great for filling the gaps between stones. Using this equipment to apply cement makes the job considerably easier, more exact, and faster.
Number 9. Kombifix and BPA. Kombifix reduces the effort required to construct ceilings and in-brick wall constructions. Number 10. Mimal SZL. The Mimal SZL is excellent at laying curves and edges. It is meant to slide ahead, cutting down on work time.
Now, what can you say about these construction inventions and technologies? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you on our next video. Bye!